Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to get discount on Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application on your device. You can see over here Shein has been opened. So in the Shein application itself, time to time you'll be able to find exclusive deals and offers. So make sure to be updated with the Shein application. After that, you should be able to get the discount. Likewise, sometimes there can be flash sale. For that, tap on this option flash sale that you can see on the screen. In the flash sale, the items are discounted. So like this too, you'll be able to get the discount. You can also earn the points in order to get the discounts. For that, tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find the options like coupons, points, wallet, etc. Tap on this option points that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the Shein points interface. If you tap on the option tasks, you'll be able to see the task over here. For example, if you verify your email, you can earn 100 points. Likewise, you'll be able to see the points for other tasks too. So you can simply earn more points and you'll be able to use it to get the discount. Likewise, what you can do is simply use the coupon codes. For that, first of all, add the item to the cart. What you have to do is find the item that you would like to purchase. Now tap on this option add to cart that you can see on the screen. Also make sure to select the size and quantity. Again tap on this option add to cart. Now after you do that, tap on the cart icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Now you'll be led to the cart interface. Make sure to select the items that you would like to purchase. Now tap on this option checkout that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the checkout interface. In the checkout interface, you'll be able to apply the coupon. Tap on this option apply coupon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the available coupons over here. If you have the coupon code, you can tap on this option apply coupon. After you do that, simply enter your coupon code over here. After that, tap on the option apply and it will be applied and you'll be able to get the discount in this order. Likewise, you can also use the gift card in order to get the discount. Tap on this option gift card that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, enter your card number. Likewise, enter your PIN over here. Now tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. After that, the gift card will be applied and you'll be able to get the discount. So these are basically the ways that you can use in order to get discount. So that is how you get discount on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.